Hello and welcome back to Brain Train Tuesday. My name is Alyssa. I am the owner of Liss MS. I am a holistic nutritionist and health coach, and I help individuals with multiple sclerosis rewire their brain and body for healing. So today in our video, we are going to be taking the first drill that I showed you a few weeks ago, the baseline drill, and I'm going to be showing you how to put that into practice in the moment. So when putting this into practice, you'll want to think of the end goal. So if, for example, you have a goal to reduce pain in your shoulder, that's what you want to be using is your shoulder as the guide for this. So you could be potentially using like an upward range of motion, sideways, anything like that where you can tell easily if there's a difference. So I'm going to demonstrate this for you in two different ways. One, I'm going to use a pencil push-up first, so a brain drill, and then I'm going to do a squat. And so you can use this for either brain drills or your common exercise. So first I'm going to demonstrate a pencil push-up. So I did range of motion, and then I will do the pencil push-up. So I start at my nose, go out a little bit, not too fast, not too slow, back in, and I'll do one more. Go back out and come back in. And then I'll retest. Okay, so it kind of feels about the same. So that probably isn't the greatest payoff drill for me today because the range of motion was the same. So now I'll do it as a squat. So I have my range of motion, which is like about here. And so then I'm gonna squat. Cool. And then one more. Better. I can go back farther. So that tells me that a squat is a better drill for me today than a pencil push-up. So if you want to incorporate this into your routines, all you have to do is find a movement that's easier for you to repeat and to be able to tell if there's any differences. So that for me is often range of motion drills like this, or I can go like side to side, anything like that, that you can tell the minute differences. And so I would do one before, so range of motion, perform the exercise, range of motion. If it's better, then that's a great drill for you today. If it's not, if not any better, not worse, it's a mediocre drill. If it's worse, clearly not the drill for you today. So I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, just leave them below.